Hi employers, this is Mohammed. I'm an HR management professional having an experience of around 23 years in UAE market.
Okay, so Mr. Mohammed, you come from India, I believe.
Yes,
You're from which place in
I'm
India?
from Karnataka, Bangalore.
So, for the benefit of our viewers, Mr. Mohammed, can you just tell us, about your whole profile right from the beginning? Like, what is your basic qualification?
I'm an MBA HR management. I'm an MBA master degree holder person. I did my Bachelor of Science from Bangalore University, and afterwards I did my MBA, Master of Business Administration, and these are all my qualifications.
Okay, what about your professional certificates? Have you also attained any professional
Of
qualification
course,
in HR?
I acquired for Certified Human Resource Professional Manager from ACI, American Institute of Management Institution. It is in 2016. So, and I'm also a CHRP and CHRM certified person. And also I did for compensation review benefit analyst from Australian certification acquired.
Okay. Now, let's go a little bit towards your work experience, Mr. Mohammed. In total, how many years of work experience you have gained?
Total, I have 23 years of experience I have gained, and in that, I'm expertised in both operational and strategic HR management.
Okay.
Yeah, I have total 23 years of experience. Out of 23, I worked 20 years, 20 plus years in UAE. Initially, only 3 years I worked in India, and afterwards, 20 years worked in UAE.
Okay, so if you have to go through in glance, on all your type of work experiences with various companies,
Yes.
right from the beginning, can you please explain to us on what position you worked and what type of companies you were handling the complete HR admin department?
See, initially I got an opportunity to work with one of the multinational company called Total Lubricants. It is a French-based MNC in the year 2000. 2000 to 2004, I worked as an assistant HR manager in this company. Here it is a group of company, blending and marketing of lubricants. They are taking from the base oil from the France and they are blending in the Jebel Ali plant. There is a plant and production unit is there, and there is a sales team is also there. So I worked in the HR department and dealing with a lot of various, dealing with the employee issues like visa management and all those type of activities.
So total, how many employees were working in Total Lubricants?
In Total Lubricants in UAE market, it is around 450, employee strength.
Okay, so for complete 450 employees, you used to handle
Yes.
personal and administration,
Personal and administration issues. And
public relation
yeah.
work. Okay.
And after that, I got an opportunity to work with Nakil PGSC during 2005. It is a peak for the construction of Palm Island. So I got an opportunity to work with them in the American and British team as an assistant manager again. So in this company, I involved for various activities like the recruitment of blue collar workers, dealing with the white collar workers and their visa issues, administration activities, their performance appraisals, all this, around 4.5 years, 5 years up to 2009, I worked with them.
Okay, so there again, what was the staff strength in Nakil?
In Nakil, it is the blue collar workers is around 7,000 employees and around 150 staff, white collar workers.
Okay, so you were completely taking care of the full
Taking
thing.
care of all these peoples, especially blue collar workers. They're all the dealings, the visa procedure, cancellations, salaries, time sheets, and the compensation benefits.
Okay.
All this.
Okay, so CB and payroll, both you have taken care in
Yes,
Nakil,
yes.
along with recruitment also.
Along with the recruitment.
Okay, very
There
good.
is one recruitment team, headed by the engineers. I went with them for various countries like India, Bangladesh, and other countries. So I assisted with them during the recruitment stages. And once they deployed from their home country to UAE, then I dealt with the Jebel Ali Free Zone for the visas.
Okay, very good. And after that, for your next assignment?
My next assignment is from 2009 February to 2012 with Samsung C&T Group. It's a construction giant. At that time, they are doing the Burj Khalifa construction. When I joined in 2009, it was in the end stage of the Burj Khalifa project, and they have acquired for Cleveland Clinic project in Abu Dhabi, and also there is a nuclear power plant project in Ruwais. So for these projects, not only for the projects, though they wanted to expand their HR department. So again, I got an opportunity to work with them as an assistant HR manager. So from 2009 February to 2012, I associated with them. When I joined at the time, the end stage of Burj Khalifa, it is required to the cancel around 5,000 blue collar workers to do their settlement, to demobilize them to their home countries. These are all the initial activities which I did, and afterwards for the new projects like Cleveland Clinic project and nuclear power plant projects, again involved for the recruitment. See, this organization, they wanted to recruit for both blue collar workers, highly skilled people and skilled workers and all. For highly skilled white collar workers, they wanted to bring from the Philippines. So I visited along with the recruitment team for Philippines and other countries to bring the skilled and white collar.
Okay. Now, this last two jobs, Samsung and Nakil, both is like construction. So you were also taking care of like camp administration, welfare of the staff. Have you done any other?
In Nakil, it is since the employee strength is very huge in Palm Island, and there is a separate team for the camp. So much activities for the camp management was not involved in Nakil. But in Samsung, yes, we have around 5 to 6 camps in various places, say in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, Ruwais, in Silla. There are all the power plant projects are also there. So these are all the camps, various camp management activities we used to take. The renewal of contracts.
So you were responsible for like camp transport,
yes,
welfare, canteen facility, and all
canteen, getting the quotation from different people, reviewing them, reporting to the management.
Okay.
These are all the activities we did. For
supplier negotiations, and you were part of
negotiation.
That. Okay. Thereafter, what about this last position that you have worked?
After working with these companies, I got an opportunity to work with one of the leading contracting company as an HR manager. From 2012 to till date, I'm working as an HR manager in this company.
Okay, so here again, what is the staff strength?
Here around 5,000 plus employee strength is there. Around 4,000, 3,500 to 4,000 is the blue collar workers. Around 500 will be the employee strength of staff category, which includes both civil and MEP staffs.
Okay, and how many people are reporting to you in HR department?
In HR department, there are 5 people are reporting to me. There are 2 PROs, 1 payroll officer, 1 visa executive.
Okay, and
myself, I'm going to report to the general manager of the company.
Okay, so this organization you have been serving for last now almost like 9 to 10 years now.
Yes, I'm working from last 9 years to till date. 2012 to till date.
Okay. So if we just do it as like a quick summary of your profile, just like right from the complete HR functions from recruitment, employee relation, training, performance reward, compensation and benefits, planning, policy formulation, implementing all the policies in the company, people management, and complete administration. You can take care of all these aspects in HR and administration department, including public relation also.
Confidently, yes.
Okay, so Mr. Mohammed, to wrap up, can we have in a nutshell like 5 key achievements that you would like to highlight to our employers?
Sure, sir. What happened is I worked with all these big multinational companies. The employee size is huge, so I can put myself into the situation that I can handle a huge number of people. I can handle a big, employee size. I worked with the people like Americans, Koreans. So I understood that what is their strategy to implement various HR activities, how to go step by step. All these things I have inculcated in my job role. So I'm very much confident to handle the people. This is one of my...
so it's like you worked with multicultural senior management. They are of different nationalities.
Yes.
And also handling the large size of workforce. That is one of your key achievements.
2 decades in this country, I'm well aware of UAE labor laws. I can handle for employee engagement, employee grievances. I can any issues, disciplinary actions, all the sets of employee relations. I can confidently, I can effectively handle these people with huge number
Okay,
of
so it's like
strength.
complete knowledge of the UAE labor law for last 2 decades and employee welfare, behavioral issues, disputes, all you can
Disputes,
handle.
grievances, all these things.
You can
yes.
handle. Okay.
So apart from these, in my present organization, I played a vital role for acquiring for the, certifications like a quality management certification, employee management certification, and also occupational health and safety management certifications. What all the procedure involved in it, how to go from scratch, how to implement the procedures in the company, how the people have to follow the procedures, how we have to do the lead auditing in the company, how to get the certification. So this is also one of my achievement. When I joined, it is in the scratch system, nothing, no systems, no policies was in place. That's the leading contracting company. So I gained expertization. I mean, I'm good in doing this certification, acquiring the certification from the external parties and implementing the procedures, the standard operating procedures into the system.
Okay, so this is like you have been also very much functional into implementing management systems in company.
Yes.
So ISO 9001 2015, which is the latest
one.
You have been working as a lead auditor or
Lead
as an
auditor.
internal auditor for the
Yes.
company for that.
Yes.
That's very nice to know. And what other achievements do you feel you
See,
have
apart
added?
from these things, as I told my previous companies, I have visited for various countries for recruitment of mass, huge labor force. What are the techniques involved in that to recruit for them? What are the basic procedures, how to recruit and how to deploy the people in allocated time period is also one of my achievement.
Okay, so in conclusion, Mr. Mohammed, we understood that you have a very good number of years of experience, more than 23 years of work experience. You have more than 2 decades of work experience in UAE, and you work with some of the big multinational companies and various gamut of companies, like they are into different business activity, right from construction to lubricants. And even before to that, you were working for, I believe, a trading company which was dealing into herbal products.
Yes.
And besides this, you have been handling very large size of workforce under you,
Yes.
managing a team of people under you, and you're quite capable to handle various facets of human resource department.
Yes.